Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. It is early in the Carolinas. Birds singing, they're happy. Just watering up everybody and feeding the quail. On that feeder right there, I've just got their straight feed, and with quail you have to run 28% protein. And on this one I've got the protein and a cracked corn mix, because cracked corn is more filler and hopefully it'll put some weight on them. But today is Shameless Saturday Shoutout. And I want to show you some stuff out here while we're shouting out some people. This is one of my does. Kevin at Lazy Pond Farm, who I've been following, he and I have kind of created an informal rabbitry co-op. I'm getting him started in rabbits, and he's helping me with quail. I'm going this week to pick up a trio of Californians, a trio of New Zealands, and 4 does, and he'll get some of those does. He's still kind of contemplating what he wants and how he's doing it to set up his particular rabbitry. And he's getting all his pens and stuff set up, so I'll be adding more rabbits. And this is one I bought. She's a little female. She's not quite ready to breed yet, and I don't breed mine hard. I'll rather have extra rabbits than having to breed them hard. And if you've got a rabbitry, you've got to make a profit. So, and I don't fault anybody for what they do, you know, as long as they're good to their animals, feed them and water them properly. But I've got another shout out. We've got Vera Campbell, our Homestead. She's a nice lady. She's only got 17 subscribers. And if I've ever asked a favor of y'all, I don't think I've asked to borrow no money from any of y'all. Anyway, let's do a raid on the link I'm going to provide. And she's got 4 videos and 17 subscribers. Let's just raid her videos and just comment her, and it doesn't cost nothing to subscribe to a channel. You know, and just let's bump her subscribers up, make her have a good Saturday. And she's got a homestead. I'm not quite sure where, and but she's wanting to do a video journal of it, and let's get in there and support her. And this little fella, he's a buck, and I'm going to put some weight on him. I'll show you how I do my feed. I mix rabbit feed with cracked corn to help give them some filler, and I feed them a lot of greens too. Everything's kind of wet around here this morning, so I'm not messing with anything green. And I'll do that later. I got to clean out a pen. They poop in a certain area, and I may move this pen over that raised bed to help fill it up and take advantage of all the droppings. But I'll get that this week. But another channel I've got is Sleepless in the Carolinas. She's a South Carolina lady, and she's good with the garden. She's got a nice garden going on down there, and let's do a raid on her channel and just comment and boost up her subscriber level. She's got good things going on down there, and one of these days I want to make it where I can get down there and see her garden and break some bread with her. She's a nice lady, and I enjoy watching her videos. And the last channel, I've shouted Sandy's Adventure channel out before, but Sandy's been a big help with me on anything green going on, and she is just a wealth of information. Well, she's coming out with a new Ask Sandy. This is about travel or gardening, and let me tell you, she knows her gardening stuff and her travel too. And I'm just not a big traveler, and but on the gardening side of things, I've consulted her quite a bit, and I hope she don't start charging me. It's gonna be bad. And but I'm reinventing some things here at the farm per her instructions. So I'll be having a video coming out once all that comes together on what she's recommended on me to do on some stuff. And I've got all these channels listed in the description and in the comment section. Go visit them. If you aren't subscribed to them, subscribe to them. You know, the very worst of it, you'll learn something, and best of it, you'll make some new friends. And but as always, we've got the comment section down there. And what you do, you take and tell us about your channel down there. If you want to put a link in, it may not show up immediately, but I'll have it on there this evening at some point. I'll okay it. And tell us about your channel. And look at all the comments down there with all the other channels. Check them out. Don't be shy. And just tell us about your channel, what you're doing, what do you want to do. And hopes, dreams, your aspirations. Tell us about it. And I will be having some upcoming videos on Sandy's advice for my gardening situation and the rabbitry. Until then, thank you for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.